What's the meaning of black eye? Black eye. Black eye.
Black eye. Black eye. A black eye refers to a common type of injury that results in discoloration and swelling around the eye. This condition is caused by an impact to the face, which can damage the delicate blood vessels under the skin and cause bleeding. As a result, the area around the eye can turn black, blue, or purple, and become tender to the touch. Black eyes usually heal on their own within a couple of weeks, but in some cases, medical treatment may be necessary. They can be quite painful and can affect a person's vision temporarily. It's important to take measures to prevent black eyes, such as wearing protective gear during physical activities and avoiding situations that are likely to cause facial injuries.